Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Properly Easy Guide. Open the Gemini app, sign in, and grant permissions to start. I'll walk you through setting preferences, prompting best practices, and managing output step by step. We'll cover voice, text, and integration tips so you can get accurate, useful responses quickly. Stay relaxed and follow along. I'll give examples, common pitfalls, and easy fixes to keep Gemini working smoothly for you. Good prompts shape Gemini's output, so be intentional with wording and structure. I explain how to frame requests, add context, set constraints, and request examples or formats. You will learn to balance detail so responses stay relevant without being overloaded. We practice short prompts, multi-step prompts, and system-style instructions to guide behavior and maintain consistency. By the end, you'll write prompts that save time and yield reliable, useful content. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and bring more tutorials. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free prompts and testing voice responses, and it pairs nicely with Gemini for demos. Check the description for the link and other deals to explore options and accessories that complement your setup. And now let's get back to the video. Integrations let Gemini work inside tools you already use, but setup needs thought and testing. I show how to link services, manage API keys, and set permissions safely for team or personal use. We cover best practices for logging, auditing outputs, and creating fallback steps when responses are uncertain. Keep templates for repeated tasks and automate only after validating accuracy to avoid costly mistakes. This keeps workflows efficient and dependable for daily use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.